Introducing the Galaxy Z Fold2 Thom Browne Edition. Comprised of the Z Fold2, Buds Live, and Watch 3, with additional phone cases and watch straps. The premium lineup begins with the Z Fold2. The phone embodies an iconic design philosophy in the Thom Browne gray with a matte haze effect and the multicolored grosgrain stripe. A flip cover for formal affairs, and a back cover for casual. An exclusive daily lock screen features artwork sketched by Tom Browne. The 4-bar design from the home screen continues seamlessly to the back cover. A scroll and a click. The customized app icons and theme complement the overall design. Beyond these features, there are 2 exclusive photo filters for a signature expression of the Thom Browne world. Every single detail is customized to complete the premium experience. Buds Live, small and sleek. They fit perfectly inside the leather case in Thom Browne gray. Finally, style meets function in Watch 3. The highly crafted piece comes in Thom Browne gray with a haze finish and delicately engraved logo on the body. 5 watch faces offer deeper customization to match your needs. A continuing collaboration of classic ideas and innovative technology. The Galaxy Z Fold2 Thom Browne Edition.